Model 1997 Volkswagen Transporter 1200 short wheelbase 2.4 SD camper conversion needs fuel pump. Body blue camper. Mileage 101,290. Engine 2370 cc E2 GAF NDP. Transmission 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary: runs perfect on easy start. Needs high pressure fuel pump replacing. Starter motor needs replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear camping area is in decent, average condition. Features: fully kitted out camper conversion. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.